You've probably spent an entire year working harder than ever. Late nights. Extra responsibilities. Going above and beyond, hoping someone notices. Then one meeting decides what your entire year was worth. You walk in hoping for a raise. You walk out with the same answer. We appreciate your efforts, but this is the best we can do. Why? Because most people negotiate the wrong thing. The pawn asks to be paid more for working harder. The architect creates value that is too expensive to lose. That is the negotiation glitch. Most companies already have a budget for salaries. So when you ask for a raise, they compare you with everyone else doing the same job. You're playing a game where the limits were decided before you even entered the room. That's why working harder isn't always enough. So stop asking, I work hard. Can I earn more? Instead, ask yourself, what can I build that saves this company money, saves time, or solves a costly problem? The moment you create something that's difficult to replace, the conversation changes. You're no longer asking for a favor. You're showing them why you're worth more. Imagine two employees doing the exact same job. Both earn the same salary. The first stays late every evening trying to finish reports. The second spends 3 weeks building a simple AI tool that finishes those same reports in minutes. Suddenly, work that once took hours now takes just a few clicks. The company saves hundreds of hours every year. When review season arrives, the first employee says, I've worked very hard this year. The second says, this system is saving the company time and money. Here's the proof. Then he gives the company 2 choices. Reward him with a share of the savings, or let him work fewer days without reducing his pay. The company agrees. Not because he worked harder, but because the system he built became too valuable to lose. He didn't just negotiate a raise. He negotiated freedom. Stop negotiating from effort. Start negotiating from results. Because the biggest raise you'll ever receive won't come from asking. It'll come from becoming impossible to ignore. The pawn asks for more. The architect becomes worth more. Subscribe if you're ready to rewrite the rules.